Hi there! Today is going to be a fun learning session as we are going to make a travel bag. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Well, yes, we see a beautiful travel or a trolley bag right here. Let's see the steps for this and start making it. At first, we are going to start by making a rectangle. So, let's keep our pencil and scale together and make a rectangle. Do you know how a rectangle is formed? Well, yes, the opposite sides are equal and one side is longer than the other. So, let's make that and then make the top part, for which we have to make a smaller rectangle. This looks amazing. Now we will start making our bag. But before that, let's make a smaller rectangle inside as well. This looks very interesting. We will make sure that we make a lighter drawing at first and then start making inside. Do you know why are we making a lighter drawing? Well, yes, because if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Let's make this top rectangle now. And then let's make the top part of the trolley from where you actually pull it. We are going to make the edges a little curved for all the rectangles we have made. So, can we do this together? This is brilliant. After making the bottom part, we will also make circles for the trolley. Of course, the circles are the wheels, right? And that's how a trolley bag works. We can erase all the parts which we don't require later. But first, let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching. We cannot make a mistake while sketching, as we are going to make this with our sketch pen and sketch pen marks cannot be erased. Go very slow and go right on top of the pencil marks. Yes, sketch this accurately. Make the circles properly and then the inside part. Do not sketch the rough parts as they are supposed to be erased later on. And we are going to take our eraser and start erasing. Now comes the fun part, the coloring, for which we are going to take 3 different types of greens and start coloring. At first, we are going to take a light olive green and make these 2 curves inside. Do you know why this kind of a color design is formed inside? Yes, that is because the light is falling on the bag in a specific way. So, wherever the bag is darker green or dark green, it is the shadow part, and wherever it's light green, it is the part where the light is falling. So, let's start with the olive green at first. Do not worry if you don't have the same shades. All you can do is take a similar shade and start coloring. You can also take whichever shades you like and try creating your bag. let's take 3 different shades of green and start coloring. Here we are going to take 2 shades of green and mix it. We are going to color lightly so the 2 colors can blend properly. After which we are going to take our tissue paper and blend it well. For this, we are using oil pastel crayons. So, once we use the oil pastel crayons, it is going to be easier for us to blend 2 colors. Well, something like this is not possible in wax crayons, so it is recommended to use oil pastels. Once we are done with this, we are going to color this part. Yes, with a different shade of green. And then, you know the drill, blend it with your tissue paper. Make sure that you fold the tissue paper in a very small piece and a handy piece so that it is easy for you to hold it and blend the colors. You can give it a nice touch up with the crayon once again. Start with a darker color and then the lighter color. That's great. Let's do the bottom part with the dark green once again. You can also give these a finishing touch up with the dark green. After which, we are going to take black color and do the top part of our travel bag. Always remember, black is the darkest color and hence it is supposed to be done in the end, or else there are chances of it smudging. And this is done.